Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have found this cool reference on Twitter, and this Belling VFX guy he created this in UE4.27 with Ribbon's new renderer, that is Tube. So let's start this tutorial and try to make the similar effect in UE5. So let's start this.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. This look really nice, and I don't know what process he used because it is not necessary to create a effect. You just need to same way what he did. So I can create similar effect with something else, and you can also, if you don't want to use ribbon, you can just take a tube mesh and you can distort that, wiggle that by material. That will be the same effect. But let's try it with ribbon and UE5 and see how much we can match it. So I will just add a third person, and this is what I have now. Okay, now here I will create a Niagara and FX, and I will also put this guy link in my description of this video. So because credit goes to his, because this is his creativity and I'm just copying his creativity as a reference for my tutorial, so you guys can also make similar effect. So I will just use a ribbon renderer, and I have this ribbon, and you can just make this ribbon from plane to tube, and this is the subdivisions. I'll just use 10 for now, and I'll delete all these modules which I don't require for now, and let's make it 100 for now and delete this. I will take initialize ribbon and take a velocity because ribbon will not be visible unless we don't have velocity. Let's make it 20, make it local space, and I'll create a simple material for that for now. And ribbon T, not T, I'll just use a green color for now. And also I'll take a Fresnel, Fresnel connected with power, and this is how it will look. And then I will multiply this with actual green color, and this will go to emissive, so it will have slightly bright edges. I'll just use this in my ribbons. And I'll just move it here in viewport. Oops, this FX, just to check the size of my ribbon so I can link it with the character. I think it is, let me check, it is okay. So now I need velocity in X. This should be bend in X in this direction, like, see, it's coming out of that character. So let's say I add some acceleration force and X, maybe 200. Okay, and I will add some curl noise for render movement and animate this, and then I will use ribbon scale curve adjust your curve. This is what I got till now, and I will delete this from here because I have perfect size, and I will open this character here in Viewport, and in mesh I will create a Niagara and same effects it put, and I will also connect it with the spine 1, I think. No, spine not 1, spine 3. So it is connected automatically here, and now it's moving with character, and I will just turn off my snappings and move this little bit. Oops. Because now it connected to the bone, it will move on different axes. See how it's working. So let it be here for now. And I can just move that in here. If I take this simulation position and add something on this simulation position, and now I can add whatever I want to, offset how much. So let's this is y negative, -20 is enough for now, and we have one aligned, and I can just copy this, Control W, and again spine 3, and I will rotate this, and the first one I will rotate upside, and then again Control W, connect with spine 3, and rotate like here. Again one more time. So you can adjust that. That's not this tutorial about. You can align your ribbons properly. Now we have this, and one more thing, it has very nice, although the material is very nice, but these particles are emitting from the trail. See the ribbon. So how you do that? I'll just duplicate this, and this is my, what you call, dust or particles, dots, anything, and I'll delete this. I'll take the sprite, and I need a radial. It doesn't have any material like that, so I will just create m radial, and I'll take a radial exponent quickly, and particle color. This will go to emissive, multiply this opacity. I'll not use additive because I need some black also, dark color, so I will use translucent, unlit, and just save this. And here I will use this material, and now it is behaving like same because this both are same emitter, so I don't need this. I will delete these modules, and in this ribbon one I will generate location and turn on the persistent ID. Then in particle dots I will use that event handler, and on spawned 1 receive. So my particle again spawning with the same thing, but this time Let's delete this and take the initialize particle, and let's make it green for now and size random, and this should be also animate. So I will take a gravity. I'll make this 500 positive, so it's going up, and I'll also use the curl noise. But these particles are too much because my ribbon has so many particles, that's why it's spawning so many particles. But here we have the only one and we cannot make it point, so it's just one. So how to decrease that spawn rate? In here, generate location, you have this event sending rate and you can decrease from here. And also, okay, yeah, it is, and you can see now it's separating that emitter location, so you can use sphere location just to randomize that, maybe 10, and still too much, so like 2, right, 3, and yeah, you can decrease the spawn size, and also I will use this randomize, and also I will use drag, and then I'll decrease gravity little bit, and I will also use the size and make a float curve. So you can see now all four are emitting, although spawn rate is different, you can fix that. And because I use gravity, it acceleration force is just going this direction, you can use velocity, but it is what it is. And particles are so much bigger, so I will decrease the size 0.01 and 2. Some will be bright. And also you can now play with this material. Let me check if I have any texture in this project. I don't really have any texture, and let me check if I have noise texture in my D drive. Yes, I have. So I will use that noise, and I will clamp that because I don't need black so much, and then I will multiply it with this. So now clamp is 0.1, so it's showing some black also, but if you don't want black, you can increase this minimum value, so it will have different values. And these particles are going very fast upward, so I will not use gravity for now. I will use just velocity, because gravity is increasing per frame, it's multiplying, so I'm just using now velocity and see if this is looking good. It's better now. And I can do one more thing to bend it more. In here, in this one, I will use a tractor. I want the attractor here on his chest, and this will attract to that point. So I use this attractor and I'll increase this. And if I increase the value of this attractor, you can see it's bending them like this. So it also look good. See, now bending is now better, and I can decrease this. Now bending is better, but curl noise is not. So I will decrease this curl noise frequency, so it will move wider. So what else we can do here? His effect is very slow and my effect is very fast. Let me increase it to 0.5, 0.2, and also this to 10, and also randomizer life. And velocity is going like directional because I have rotated it. So I will make this velocity world. So all particles will go up like this. So that's it. So that's it. It is kind of similar, not exactly same, but you got the idea how maybe he used the same way, or maybe he uses spline and these curves are just aligned to that. I don't know what he use. So that's it. I hope you liked it and you learned something. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel CGHOW. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and bye bye.